can I help you, brother?
What's your best on Shibuya?
Cash? Is that all you're interested in? 170? I have a sticker at 180, but.
Yeah. What do you call it? I know 2 sold in February for like under 150.
I think recent comps are around 170 or so. The recent comps, I'm pretty sure, are literally at 170 or something like that. I'll check for you. There might be low comps, but there's also high, like, I'll show you right now, brother. These are the last 3 sales, 170, 170, 168. Cheapest buy now on eBay is 175, 187, 300, 180. 2? How many do you want? I have more than 2 if you want more than 2. Do you stream or do you vend or what do you want? Just for fun, for PC?
Yeah.
Or you think it'll stonk? It probably will.
For the love of the hobby.
For the love of the hobby, let me buy 20 of them. Like Apple stock. Love of the hobby. Love of the hobby, I bought 20 Umbreons.
Yeah, exactly. This is all of them right here. All hobby.
This is nothing, bro. It's like, I don't even know, like market, like, I think like $100 or something like that. You want it?
I might be considering it.
It's nice.
I'll do it different. You guys finish your deal first.
You want 2 or how many do you want?
Just 2. You can do like 160 for both.
Okay. I'll do 330 for both. That's 165 a pop. If not, I'll do 1 at 170. $10 off. Or we can flip 320, 340 for the pair. Middle point 330. You want a coin flip? $20?
315, 335 for both. Flip.
All right, Shang.
You're trying to go down $5, huh? 320, 340. I'm already going down. I wanted 170 a pop. I'm going down for you. That's cash, right?
What's this, right? Yeah. 3, 4.
No way you're walking over away from $5.
Six,
Your hobby.
7,
It's your hobby.
right?
For the love of the hobby, dude.
For the love of the
You
hobby.
get like 20 more.
He cooked me on the flip. You're probably gonna cook me too.
What's $5 to a guy like you?
Exactly.
I'm your hobby.
You said 315, 335?
335. You said you wanted your Japanese.
Are you selling these or what?
I do. No, he bought this out on my stream.
Oh, nice.
And delivering.
Oh, okay. 315, 335. Let me do the math real quick. 300, 360
I mean, I'll take this back.
for the pair. $60 flip.
It kind of dipped a little bit. It's like,
Spice it up.
It's like 280 to 3.
Woo!
I have like a lot. I just collected.
I can give you more at that. You want more? We can do like more.
I'll do that.
You want more or just 2? All right. Let me get them. We're coin flipping for the 2 Shibuya Pikachu PSA 10s. All right, 300 or 360. You throw I call or who throws?
You throw icon.
All right, 300 or 360 on the 2 Shibuya Pikachus. Ready?
You can use it as a
Lands anywhere fine?
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm gonna throw it good this time. It landed on my suitcase. Should we count it or no? Redo? Okay.
Floor or tape?
You're a good guy. I like that.
It was tails.
260.
All right. I'll throw again. I'll try to land it here, but wherever it lands, we'll count it. Ready? 300 or 360. Good luck.
Tails.
Yeah.
You got it. $300. I'm lost to both of you now. 500.
2 of these, 100 a pop.
Is there anything else you want? Just 2 of those? 200? So
200 total. For 2.
Yeah.
So we gotta give it 1.
Yeah, you gotta get one, right?
What?
You gotta win one.
You can't negotiate on
No flip. No more flips with you. 2 fruit Eevees going out for $200. To the gentleman that cooked me earlier. Davis, right?
Yes.
Thank you guys. Are you guys local to here or what?
I'm from New York.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I came to win a
Coin flip with you, so.
Ah. Bucket list. Beat goated pulls in a coin flip.
Yeah. Dude, that's why I came here. You know, spent 400 on a ticket. Like, dude, just one. He's gonna call.
Here. Let me give you something. I'll give you each a coin.
Say swear.
I'll use it whenever I want to win.
It's like you're on the tails on it, right? It's waiting on the tail.
I don't know. Call it whatever you want, bro. Call it on the edge. It might land on the edge. It's fucking weighted. Hello, sir. How you doing?
Yeah, that's fine. Okay.
How you doing, buddy?
SB on that.
You want to do a deal? Do your deal right there, because people might want to ask me shit. I don't know.
I'm buying stuff.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, what are you selling?
Whatever you want.
I need one of these.
Oh. I know what you want. You want insurance, right?
Yeah.
These are perfect insurance cards for you.
Let's make a deal.
They're like these these Flareons and the Vaporeons and the Jolteons, and The Leafeons
They're
are,
like 160.
yeah, they're all like 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170.
They're perfect.
Yeah, PSA 10 Terras. So you tell me what you want. You only want Jolteon?
No, I'll take a couple of all of them.
Okay, tell me right now, and we'll do it. I'll give this to you at 650 if you take more of this stuff.
All right.
Because I need to clear this case
Open
out.
it.
So what, 2 of these? You want insurance, right?
I want one of those.
Okay. 2 of these? These are cheaper. These are cheaper.
I want those.
Okay. 2 of these?
Yep.
Flareon? 2?
Yep. Sylveon's like 200, right?
Yeah. I kind of want to keep them, but
What's this?
Espeon.
All right, it's right there.
Right there?
Wait, are these more Umbreons?
You want a Leafeon?
Those are all Umbreons.
Yeah, I have a lot of Umbreons, but...
Yeah.
Wait, do you want a Glaceon? 2 or 1? 2 Leafeons? How many Leafeons?
Yes.
This is one of my favorite ones, to be honest. Honestly, this is a top 3 card in the set for me.
I like it.
You want more, or is that enough?
That's good for now.
Cash?
Yeah.
Okay.
Factory or something?
What?
Keep pulling more out.
These are all around the same price. This one's like maybe $10 more than the others or something. I don't know.
What do you like 120, 125? It's cheap.
Dude, they're gonna see it and they're gonna be like, oh my
I'm kind
god,
of scared to buy this. Could go down.
I'd value at like 120 for you.
Okay.
That's fair.
120, 130.
You want to add it? Let's just add values for you, okay?
I might get you the ponchos to sell them.
So 240 on the Jolteons.
Yeah.
These are higher than this. This is the lowest one.
It's like 130.
Yeah, this is the cheapest one out of these.
Yeah.
So 240 on the 2 Jolteons.
Around 135.
So 270 here.
You got
Last sold was 3.8, 3.2, 3.6.
what's Leafeon at?
I'll do the same as the Vaporeon for you. It's probably the same. Dude, all the idiots buying prismatic. The Japanese is so much better. The text is way better. I have not bought a single pack of prismatic yet. I'm not going to. I haven't opened it.
English?
Can I see this one?
Yeah, sure.
You said these are the same as Vaporeon?
I think. I mean,
They're like 140.
plus or minus, yeah, $5-10.
140, so 280.
You can almost ride into as side chases.
Right?
Are they even 200 for side chases?
Yes and no, plus or minus $20. I don't know, man. Market. What was your name?
Jerry?
Jerry Pokeshop.
Oh, really? Are you Leo's friend?
Yeah, Lil Leo. He's in Japan now.
Holy shit.
He's running one-mans in Japan.
He owes me like 1,500 packs of Crown Zenith. He hasn't shipped it to me yet. What'd you say?
And it's 280 for both.
That's cheaper. It's like around Vaporeon or Jolteon price. It's like 130-ish, I think. 140, 135. 135?
Yeah.
So 270 on the Flareons?
We'll do these separate.
Okay. This one, I think it's like 170, 160.
I don't want that one.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Check
I
it?
already bought a few.
Okay. That'll be a chase for me. It's nice.
What do you add all this?
Bro, that's cooked.
I know you paid much less. I know you paid like what?
Yeah, but I bought it like a year ago when it was
Yeah.
2.7. But like, I can't get it again. That's the problem.
Yeah.
So what I paid for it doesn't matter. I might have paid 5K for this Mario, but why the would I like let it go for 5K? Because I can't get it back for under 8K again. So this,
What's it here?
yeah, I added all these. This is all the market on this stuff.
1340?
Yeah, market here
right.
without these two.
I'm just gonna pay you. We pay you 1150 on those. 5 and 650. This is 560.
I can't give that to 500. I'd buy it for 500. Are you kidding me?
What do you want? 12? Full comp?
So Marcus, 1340 here. What are you comfortable paying?
Do I trust you?
The numbers are right there. Look, dude.
1200.
Yeah, 240.
1200.
If I gave that to you for 1200, I want a good price on these as well, though.
I gotta come back for these. I have to leave right now. But I'll buy these.
I'll figure out.
Come on, you gotta liquidate.
1250.
One flip.
What?
I'll be back.
12 or
Harvard.
1250.
Fuck it, run it.
Harvard up here.
You're good? All right.
I'm not flipping.
You call. Yeah? All right, flipping with Mr. 44 Nico. 2 Flareons that we just picked up. 2 Jolteons. 2 Glaceons. 2
Come in
Leafeons.
twos.
And 2 Vaporeons. Has to land on table or no?
On table.
Has to land on table or it doesn't count.
Good flip.
That was a good flip. I got cooked. 1200.